Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to take a look and kind of go over security a little bit. This is going to be a quick video on how to properly disable and then re-enable the Windows firewall. I'm sure that a variety of you have seen going to control panel and disabling the firewall, or used settings to disable the firewall, or even going to the services console and disabling the firewall. Windows 10 as of 1809, which is the build number. You should be able to see that. That's going to be in your system settings. So if we right click on Start and we go to System, in here we're going to see the build number listed here, which is for this particular one we're on 22H2. In build number 1809 and newer, if you go into the actual control panel and disable the firewall, it disables to on. If you go into the services and you disable the firewall, it disables to on. If you go into your settings and you disable it, it disables to on. You could go in through your local group policy editor and edit it that way and disable it through there, but that's kind of a pain. And generally speaking, most people aren't comfortable with group policy in that way, at least in the desktop world where you're in Workgroup. I do intend to upload a bunch of group policy configuration videos in the future, but for the time being, I was just going to keep this brief. So to correctly disable the Windows firewall, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open your command prompt as admin. So you're going to right click on it, choose Run as Administrator. Obviously, if you don't have a shortcut on your desktop, then you can go into Start, type in CMD, locate it, right click on it, and run it as administrator. That would also work. So once we have that run as administrator, what we're going to do is we're going to actually disable the firewall by doing a netsh command. So it's netsh advfirewall set all profiles state off. What that'll do is that'll disable your Windows firewall on all profiles on your desktop. And that's permanently disabled, as you can just see the pop-up that came across about the security notification because I disabled the firewall. When you run that command, it actually disables it. It disables it as off. So now if you wanted to, you could ping this machine from the outside. Nothing will be blocked for the Windows firewall to this machine. If you want to turn it back on, you just simply do the same exact command, netsh and adv for advanced firewall, set all profiles, state, and then just change it to on. And now your Windows firewall is turned back on. This is a really easy, quick way to do a switch, especially if you want to do troubleshooting or any kind of configuration troubleshooting to make sure that you don't have your Windows firewall blocking something. I'll leave this in the description. Hopefully this helps somebody out. You guys have a good night.